For thousands of years, people ate simple food every day. Yet food sickness was rare.
They had no refrigerators, no preservatives, and no food labels.
Today, food is abundant, yet digestive problems are everywhere.
So what changed, the food or the way we eat?
Ancient food preparation began with patience.
Modern food preparation begins with speed.
Food was processed slowly and slowly, not instantly.
Changes structure.
Fermentation was normal, not optional.
Modern bread skips time.
It had clear beginnings and endings.
Modern eating rarely stops.
Food followed the seasons.
Modern food ignores time.
Food followed the seasons.
Slow cooking softened food naturally.
Modern cooking prioritizes convenience.
Eating was deliberate.
Modern eating is distracted.
Storage protected food without chemicals.
Modern storage extends shelf life, not always health.
People trusted their senses.
Modern systems replace awareness.
Flavor came from plants, not formulas.
Modern flavor is engineered.
Food was shared, not rushed.
Modern eating is isolated.
Hunger and fullness were respected.
Modern portions ignore signals.
Digestion had time to rest.
Today, food never sleeps.
Ancient eating followed a rhythm, not constant availability.
Modern food is always within reach.
Rest supported digestion.
Modern life ignores digestion.
Simple meals were easier to process.
Modern meals are chemically complex.
Fermentation made food safer naturally.
Modern preservation replaces time with additives.
And water work together.
Modern drinks confuse
Part of
digestion.
the recipe.
Speed disrupts the process.
Eating ended before discomfort.
Modern habits encourage excess. Fasting happened naturally.
Modern snacking never ends.
These signals mattered.
Signals are overridden. Cleanliness was simple and consistent.
Cleanliness adds chemicals.
Waste was avoided. Waste became normal. Fermented drinks supported digestion. Modern drinks stressed the system. Respected daylight.
Night eating became normal.
Digestion rested with sleep.
Rest is interrupted.
Habits protected the body quietly.
Their absence changed everything. Food was eaten close to the time it was grown.
Food travels far before reaching the plate.
This was visible and immediate.
Replace judgment.
Spoiled food was avoided instinctively.
Food lasts longer than it should.
It was controlled, not rushed. Eating became routine. Souring protected food naturally. Ability is manufactured.
Came from variety, not formulas.
Modern balance is calculated, not felt.
Digestion began in the mouth.
Bypasses the process.
Warmth supported digestion.
Shocks the system.
Simplicity reduced strain. Complexity increased load.
Food responded to climate. Pause allowed digestion to begin.
Interrupts the body.
Food knowledge was passed down.
Modern habits are marketed.
Moderation was natural.
Overconsumption became common.
Support came from nature.
It became synthetic. These habits protected digestion quietly.
And their absence explains today's discomfort.
Ancient meals were planned for not impulsive.
Modern eating is reactive.
No!
Fermentation reduced digestive confusion. Excess variety overwhelms the system. Simple kitchens encourage simple eating.
Complex tools invite complexity.
Hunger guided eating.
Motion now drives food.
Sood followed daylight.
Food availability ignores time.
Warm foods soothed digestion.
Cold processing dominates.
Feedback guided habits.
Signals are dismissed.
Adapted during recovery.
Modern eating ignores condition.
Community eating reduced stress.
Affects digestion. Gratitude slowed eating.
Distraction speeds consumption.
Fermentation supported balance.
Sugar overwhelms digestion.
Oral care supported digestion.
Small steps are forgotten.
Consistency protected the system.
Chaos creates strain.
Digestion rested overnight.
Is interrupted.
These habits built resilience.
And their loss explains today's discomfort.
Food safety didn't end with eating.
Clean habits reduced risk naturally. Modern habits often leave food vulnerable.
Simple protection mattered.
Trusting senses prevented illness.
Modern systems react late.
Familiarity reduced digestive stress.
Constant change confuses the body.
Warm liquids completed digestion.
Cold shocks interrupt the process.
Illness was part of health.
Modern life never pauses.
Guidance kept habits balanced.
Consistency protected digestion.
Trends disrupt balance.
Food systems supported recovery.
Modern systems respond after damage.
Healing respected time.
These habits worked quietly, every day.
And their loss explains modern discomfort.
This wasn't perfection.
It was functional.
Serve the body.
The body serves food.
The difference wasn't science.
Habits.
Forgotten food systems protected humans for
If
centuries.
you want to understand how humans ate before modern life, subscribe and continue the journey.